Hi guys, this is Jane. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tasty and easy cook and tell videos. Also follow me on Steam, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.